Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how you can easily change your voiceover language in Genshin Impact. To change the voiceover language in Genshin Impact, first of all, make sure to launch open your Genshin Impact application on your device. And once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on the Paimon icon at the top left corner. This will open up this expanded menu where you need to go ahead and tap on gear icon on the bottom left. After you tap on the gear icon, go ahead and select language option on the left and click the drop down right next to voiceover language. Now you'll have different options such as Chinese, Japanese, Korean, and English. Select any one option. Pick a new voice language. The game will download audio files after making your selection. And after you see this pop up, after tapping on one of the options, click on confirm. It'll download the voiceover files, which will take a few minutes. And once the download is complete, you'll be able to change your voice language in the game. After it is done, your characters will be able to speak in your chosen language, giving the game a fresh experience. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.